This is my project's main page. For test 1, I use elbow math to find the optimal K. In this case, I choose 3 as my optimal K because after 3, the line is kind of smoother. And for test 2, I plug the chart, which I choose intrinsic dimensionality as 4 because the accumulated explained variance ratio is above 75%. And same for the random sampling, and in this case also 4. However, it's different for the stratified sampling. Is 3 in this case. It's just above the 75%. However, when you each time run the projects, the random and the stratified may change, but the value is between 3 and 4. And for the top 3 loadings, the top 3 loading is texture worst, texture mean, and texture SE for original data, and also same for the random and stratify. However, the random and stratify may change each time you run the project. The feature could be different one. And this is the test 3, the scatter plot for PC1 and PC2. Because my data has the target value y, so I also pass the y to my chart, so I can color my points to easier to see which 2 cluster is it. So for this chart, you can see the blue one and the red one is almost can separate by a line. And this is for random. Yeah, you can see the red points over here, blue points here, and for stratified, the blue points here, red points here, and the very good thing is that you can use one line to separate data, only establish points. That's how nice the stratified works. This is the original MDS used for Euclidean. It takes time to loading. Yes, so it's very similar to the using the PCA. It's like you can see the red is above and the blue points in the bottoms. You can clearly see these 2 clusters. And for random, yeah, same blue and red. And for stratify, yeah, the red here and blue here, and you can see almost linear separable. And for MDS, I use correlation distance. This kind of like circle because I standardize my dataset. So you see, like blue point is mainly on the top, and the red point is mainly on the bottoms. It's for random. Yeah, blue point on top, and the red point is on the bottoms. And for the stratify, blue point and the red point here. And this is top 3 PCA loading feature I select, which is texture worst and texture mean, which is top 2. So you can see the red points mainly over there, and the blue points are mainly over here, and this one is here. Nothing special. So this is for random. Because random just subset of original, so point doesn't have not much variation. And stratify data very similar. Because it just has less points, but the overall pattern is same as the original one, like red point above, blue point below. That's for me.